Okay, so we have a box or we have a rectangle that's 20 inches by 9 inches, and they say that we're going to cut off all four corners. That way we can fold the rectangle and make a box with an open top. But what we're cutting off we don't know, so that's going to be our X. So if I started with 20 inches and I cut off X from here and X from here, that leaves me with this dotted distance is going to be 20 minus 2x, because I started with 20 and I took away x and x. All right, the same thing with this side. This distance is x, this distance is x. If I started with 9, then this dotted distance is now 9 minus 2x. And it tells me that the area of this rectangle, the bottom of my box, is 82 inches squared. So to find area, I do length times width. So that gives me 20 minus 2x times 9 minus 2x, and that equals 82 inches. From this point, you want to distribute or do the fold method. That gives me 180 minus 40x minus 18x plus 4x squared equals 82. Combine like terms. I'm going to move the 4x squared to the top. 4x squared. I'm going to subtract 82 from both sides. So I have 4x squared. Negative 40x minus 18x gives me negative 58x. And 180 minus 82 is going to give me 98. So this is my quadratic equation that I want to solve for x. I'm going to plug this in the calculator and find out where the x-intercept is. So I have 4x squared minus 58x plus 98. I'm going to hit graph. I might have to zoom out or zoom in, and I know my calculator's got a glare on it. Okay, but I'm only seeing one x-intercept the way mine's currently zoomed. So I'm going to hit second trace 0, and I'm going to find that 0. So I got to go to the left of it, press enter, go to the right of it, press enter again, and I get this x-intercept, which is 1.952595, right? So that is what x is. And the question is asking you what is the area that they're cutting off. So we found the x is 1.952595, right? But that's just one distance. To find the area, it's length times width. So this distance here is also 1.952595. All right, so I'm pretty much going to do length times width, and that's going to be my answer. So when I do that in my calculator, 1.952595 times itself. I could square it, but I'm just going to write it out. I get this answer, which is 3.812, and I'm guessing they tell you to round to the nearest 2 decimal places. So that would be 3.81, and that's going to be inches squared or centimeters squared. I don't know what the unit of measure is. All right. Hope this helps.